What's up guys, this is Vaya and today I'm gonna show you how to correct your pictures that you captured in low light. And this is going to be a basic tutorial, nothing too special or advanced like color corrections or adding mood to your pictures. So this is pretty simple stuff so that everybody can follow along and just bring out the most from the low light pictures. So if that sounds interesting, let's hop into it. Okay, so this is a picture I'm gonna work with. This picture is from unsplash.com. So right now you can see that the details or the light in this picture is pretty underexposed. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just click on this layer and press Ctrl+J to make a duplicate layer, and we'll go to image, adjustment, and shadows and highlights. Cool. So if you see this kind of a dialog box, just click on show more options and this will show you every possible setting that's in the shadows and highlights. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just increase the shadows and the tonal width. You can see that it boosts the light in the image. Okay, I'm gonna increase the radius a touch. Cool. And if I just increase the highlights, you can see that the glare of the light becomes less. So I'm gonna just keep it at say 18 or 19. That looks good. And I'm gonna increase the tonal width to 60 and decrease the radius. Cool. And I'm gonna increase the color correction of this just a touch and increase mid-tone contrast. That looks great. Cool, I'm gonna hit OK. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a selective color adjustment layer and change the blending mode to luminosity. Go to the black channel and just increase the blacks a touch. Okay, and I'm gonna decrease the fill of this layer. Cool. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just create a levels adjustment layer and I'm gonna pull the slider towards the left. Cool. I'm gonna change the blending mode to luminosity so that it doesn't affect the colors, and I'm gonna pull the slider like so. Cool. And just a touch, maybe around 3. Okay, that looks amazing. Cool. Okay, so I'm gonna create a curves adjustment layer to just add a little bit of tone to it. I'm gonna decrease the reds in the image just like so. I'm gonna add a little bit of green and decrease it from the shadows. Cool. I'm gonna increase the blues just like so. Cool. So I'm not gonna go to the advanced steps of color grading because this isn't a color grading tutorial. Well, if you want, you can just check out my channel and see the other color grading tutorials. So now I'm gonna just click on this layer and press Ctrl+Shift+Alt+E to make a stamp visible layer. Cool. And now I'm gonna go to filter, camera filter. Okay, in camera filter, what I'm gonna do is just increase the exposure. Cool. Decrease the contrast somewhere around there. Pretty cool. And decrease the highlights. Amazing. I'm gonna increase the shadows a touch. Cool. Increase the whites and decrease the blacks. Cool. If you want, you can add a little bit of clarity to your image, and I'm gonna just decrease the vibrance. Cool. You can play around with the temperature. I'm gonna just decrease it a little. Okay, now I'm gonna go to the details tab and just increase the noise reduction. I'm not gonna show you the advanced technique, so if you want, you can just click on the I button and see the advanced noise reduction technique. Cool. I'm gonna decrease the details and just hit an OK. Cool. So if I just show you the before and after, so this was the before. You can see right there the display of the image isn't that visible, but after the edit it's completely visible. So we have successfully just corrected the low light photograph. So this was it, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification icon so that you never miss a future update, cause I bring some cool stuffs every day. And also, if you enjoyed this tutorial or learned something new today, please make sure to give me a thumbs up. Also, if you have any query or feedback to give, the comment section is all yours. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.